After the trial titration has been performed, the order in which you'll add the reagents when you're doing the regular titrations will vary slightly. Begin by delivering a 20 milliliter aliquot of your calcium chloride standard solution. Okay, to that add the 30 milliliters of deionized water. To this mixture, you're going to add the predetermined 2/3 volume of the EDTA that you calculated from your trial titration. Okay, for this trial titration, that predetermined amount is 24.78 milliliters. So I'll drain the EDTA from the burette to that volume. Okay, now at this point, 2/3 of the calcium that's in the solution available for titration has now already been complexed with the EDTA. Now it's safe to adjust the pH and add the indicator. To adjust the pH in this trial titration, I determined that 3 milliliters of 2 molar sodium hydroxide was all that was needed to make the pH be between 12.5 to 13. So I can go ahead and add this amount, and I don't have to check this on the pH meter and don't have to worry about losing calcium solution off the electrode. Now you'll add the indicator, the 0.2 grams of the hydroxynaphthol blue. I'll now complete the titration right where I left off from that last predetermined amount of EDTA that was added. And I want to complete the remainder of the titration, titrating to that same pure blue color. When you start to see the flashes of blue-violet through the solution, you want to slow down your delivery of titrant. Okay, we're kind of got some flashes of blue here. This is actually kind of a purplish tint to it still, but I know I'm really close. So I'm going to go single drops at a time until I get it to the point where the next drop of EDTA does not change the blue any further. Okay, this almost looks like a nice crystally clear looking blue. If I record this volume and add another drop, does it change? I believe it still did. One more drop. Does not change. Okay, so at that point, record your final volume. The pure blue endpoint.